Hey, it's Spence from WP Launch Club with your WordPress tip of the day. Today I want to show you how fast and easy it can be to navigate the WordPress admin dashboard using turbo-admin.com. This is a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge that allows you to type a couple letters or a full word and go immediately where you would like to go in the admin dashboard. Now, in all of my launch kit demos, I've previously used a plugin and still do on my personal sites called Admin Menu Editor. This organizes the admin dashboard alphabetically and allows you some other control. But Turbo Admin is slightly different and they work together brilliantly. Best of all, it's free now for you to use for unlimited use. They're going to be charging a small price, I think $35 for the Pro version, but you can start using it today for free. Let me show you over here. I have got a launch kit demo site set up, and on the back end of it, I am using the Admin Menu Editor. And you can see here, I've organized things alphabetically, which results in things being listed alphabetically here. Very easy for me to find what I want. Your mileage may differ, but you can also block things together into groups, whatever you want. Here's how Turbo Admin works. I use a shortcut combo, Shift, Control, Alt, and I press the letter P. And now a menu comes up. So if I want to go to WP Fusion, I can go right to whatever I want, the settings or the tools. If I want to go over to launch flows, I just type in that key command combination and the same thing happens. Launch flows. And I can go to the main screen or to any of the submenus. It's really handy when you already know the name of what you're looking for because you don't have to, even with an alphabetical list, scroll up and down. I suggest you go over to turbo-admin.com and try the extension. As I mentioned, they're offering it for free for a certain amount of time, and I think even in this edition, you can keep it. If you wanted to buy it, it was $35 for 6 activations, which is a really good deal that you can use on multiple browsers or multiple computers. Either way, I hope this tip has helped you out, and I'll see you on the next video.